Yo, TK, you missed this weather? What's going on, guys? As you can tell that we're in the middle of a blizzard here in Virginia Beach, and we're looking at about 4 to 8 inches here. I know for you people up north that's not a lot, but from here it's a lot to us. So I'm just chilling in the house trying to survive, and I got food in the house. We're doing good. But anyway, you're not here about a weather report. I know you're here to see what I have to say about the Samsung Galaxy S8. Now, first of all, let's start with the leaked photo that I got from my friend TK from Total Tech. Go check out his channel. I'll leave the link in the description. Now, here you see that that the phone is almost bezel-less, and there's no home button on this phone. So I'm very excited about this phone, and I can't wait to see it. Now, also, there's been reports that the Samsung Galaxy S8 will have a 4K display. Now, if Samsung can pull this off, this is going to be a hell of a phone. Now, there's not going to be a headphone jack, or it's going to be a USB Type-C, of course, wireless charging, Samsung Pay, all the bells and whistles. And also, there's a report that you will be able to it will be a fingerprint scanner on the display. Now, some say it's going to be on the back, but we're going to have to wait and see for that. And also, there will be a double lens camera on the back of the phone. Now, this is going to be interesting because the last phone that I know they did that is the LG V20 and also the iPhone 7 Plus. So, Samsung is great in making great camera quality, so we have to wait and see how that's going to turn out. And like I said, I am extremely excited about this phone. So you guys hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think about this phone, and are you going to get it? But like I said in my other videos, Samsung going to have to hit this one out the park.
Yo, TK,
because what happened to the Note 7.
This weather?
Peace out, and I'll see you guys later.